Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the voice changer effect on CapCut PC. You can either use an audio from your library or record a sound of you saying something. So select this microphone button, select the correct input button. And basically, I'm going to change my voice using the voice changer. There. I'm just going to adjust the volume a little bit. So if you're on basic, select voice changers. We have voice filters, and these ones are the voice characters. We have this Jessie one. Still loading, so just wait. This is what it's gonna sound like.
And basically, I'm going to change my voice using the voice changer.
There's a few options you can choose from. Homer, I think there was one that was Lois. I don't know where it went though. Oh, it's still there. So this is what it sounds like.
Basically, I'm going to...
But to be honest, I can do that without even the voice changer. But I'm not going to do that today because this is not a voice impression channel. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.